Gulf Coast News is on top of breaking news at 5. There's been a deadly accident at a construction site in Fort Myers. This site is off Hanson Street and Ortiz Avenue. We've seen a body on the ground at this construction site. We're learning they were run over by a dump truck. Gulf Coast News reporter Nayla Grandpierre is live at the scene.
You can still see the Fort Myers police cars that are here, and they're now covering the body of that one person who was pronounced dead after an accident here at the construction site. This is just off Ortiz Ave after that roundabout that would take you down to Colonial. Take a look at the drone video we have from earlier today. I spoke to one person off camera who said he did see the body along with the evidence markers that were surrounding this person here on the construction site off Ortiz Ave. And we're working to learn more on who this person was and how this accident happened. And count on Gulf Coast News as we continue to do so. Live in Fort Myers, Nayla Grandpierre, Gulf Coast News.